Alright, this is on road 304, like south. Supposed to be heading to I-10 since I couldn't take 71 home. It's September. Motherfucking it's Labor Day weekend, nigga. Shit. I fucking forget. Let me get a close up of this. There's fucking wildfires everywhere. I couldn't go down 71 because it was closed. It was blocked off. I'm going on 304 right here. Fucking shitty ass camera, but clearly you can fucking see fucking smoke. Fucking just spouting, man. It's fucking spouting. It's just burning shit, man. Just straight up burning shit. Kind of has a nice color, except this fucking camera sucks. It's on a cell phone. But good God. I'm trying to get the hell out of Dodge. I don't want to get stranded. I'm heading to Houston. I've just been informed that there's also a grass fire in Katy, so hopefully I make it safe. I want to make it home. I don't want to play zombies, to tell you the truth. I just want to kill zombies, man. Play new map pack, man. Play Moon. Shit. Anybody want to join me on Xbox Live? My name is Darn Tony T. That's my gamer tag. Happy to accept, happy to play. Alright, that's it, man. I'm trying to get the fuck out of here before I get stranded. Later, nigga.